Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce my team. We are from Group C. The member Anggun Alifa Istiqomah and Anissa Khairani Ananda and me Intan Matasari. So, me as a presenter will explain the material error with parallel structure and error with the pronouns. Okay, so the first material will discuss about error with parallel structure. Okay, error with the parallel structure is written expression item involving error with parallel structure are similar to the seen in the structure part of the test. The sentence must often contain a series of three expressions, X, Y, and Z. One of these expressions is not grammatically parallel to the other two items in the series. Structures that are often involved in parallelism are noun, adjective, verb, prepositional, phrase, gerund, and infinitive. So this is the example error with parallel structure. As young man, George Washington liked boating to hunt and fishing. So the answer correct example is C. Why option C? Because option C is not parallel with the other item in the series. To hunt is an infinitive, while the other item are gerund. You might have considered the other option that are part of the series B and D, but if you reward only one of these, the three expression would still not be parallel. Okay, the next slide. We move to discuss about error with pronouns. Okay, the first error with pronouns. Pronouns error in written expression involve several types of pronoun. The first, personal pronouns. Personal pronouns to follow he, she, it, they, and so on. And the reflexive pronouns himself, herself, itself, themselves, and so on. And the relative pronouns to follow adjective, clause, and marker. Who, was, which, that, and so on. And the demonstrative pronouns to follow it this, that, this, thus. For the purpose of this listen possessive adjective is how the bicycle are considered personal pronoun and demonstrative adjective that book, thus horse are considered demonstrative pronouns. The greatest number of error involve personal pronouns. KE error in pronouns or nouns agreement. A pronoun must agree with the noun to which it refers, the pronoun referent. Most agreement error with personal pronoun, reflexive pronouns, and demonstrative pronouns consist of a singular pronoun referring to a plural noun or a plural pronouns referring to the singular nouns. Agreement error with relative pronoun usually involve the use of the to the refer to things or which to refer to person. Note the relative pronouns that can be used with certain sentence to reverse to both personal and person and thing. Okay, so this is the example. Jackrabbits have powerful rear leg that enable it to leap long distance. So the option C, because the pronoun referring to the plural nouns, jackrabbit must a plural. Next slide. Okay, the next slide. B, error in pronoun from. This error involves personal pronouns, a subject from like he might be used in the place of an object from like him. or a possessive pronouns like her might be used in place of a possessive adjective like her. This type of the pronoun error is usually easy to spot. The next slide. Okay, so this is the example. Herman Melville gathered material for him novel, including Moby Dick, during his year at sea. So the option is B, because the possessive from his, not the object from him, is required. C, incorrect type of pronouns. In some sentence, the wrong type of pronoun is used. For example, a reflexive pronoun might be used when a personal pronoun is needed or a personal pronoun used when a relative pronoun is required. So the next slide. Okay, so this is the example. As larvae barnacles are free swimming, but as adult they attack them, so stones, ducks, and haul up of ship. So the answer the wrong the example option C, because the reflexive pronoun is required because the subject and object are the same entity. They attach themselves. Okay, the next slide. D. Incorrect inclusion of pronouns. Some error involve the unnecessary use of the pronouns. Often this type of error occur when a personal pronoun is used. A subject is a sentence that already has a noun subject. It may also involve a personal pronoun used unnecessarily in its relative clause. In a few items, a relative pronoun is used necessarily. The next slide. Okay, this is the example. Certain type of turtle that may live as long as 100 years. So the answer, the example, option B, because the relative pronoun that is unnecessary in the sentence because there is only one verb. My life, a sentence that contains a relative clause must have a verb in each clause. Okay, so maybe that's all for explanation about me. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.